Hello, Shining Stars. A very warm welcome to your English class for class 7 with your educator, Aprajita. And let's start a new chapter today, chapter number 12. That is Shahi Dal Urad. So, urad dal तो बहुतों को पसंद है, सबको पसंद होती है उड़द दाल, बहुत टेस्टी होती है. It's very tasty. You all must have eaten also. So let's read about this Shahi Dal Urad. Let's warm up first. Have you ever thought that children can sometimes play a significant role in adult matters? कभी-कभी जो बच्चे होते हैं वो भी बड़ों के जो matters होते हैं उसमें एक बहुत अहम रोल प्ले करते हैं. Okay? Read the story which tells how a young boy helps his father to get a reward. ये स्टोरी एक बच्चे की है और इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे कि किस तरह से उस बच्चे ने अपने फादर की हेल्प की जिससे कि उसके फादर को रिवॉर्ड मिला. Let's start it. Sadiq was sitting in his father's food stall in a small gully in Lucknow, brushing off flies from a platter of biryani, when he saw a man in a silk achkan get off a horse at their door. Two servants followed the man. अब सादिक एक बॉय वो कहाँ बैठा है? फूड स्टॉल में, अपने फादर के फूड स्टॉल में, लखनऊ की गली में बिरयानी का स्टॉल है वो, और वहाँ से वो फ्लाइज उड़ा रहा है, वो मक्खियाँ उड़ा रहा था बिरयानी के प्लेटर में से. और अचानक उसने देखा एक सिल्क का अचकन पहने एक आदमी घोड़े से उतरा और उसके साथ उसके दो सर्वेंट्स थे. Here. Looks rich. Is he coming here? सादिक wondered. सादिक ने सोचा ये बहुत अमीर आदमी लग रहा है, क्या ये यहाँ आ रहा है हमारे स्टॉल की तरफ? Sadiq's father, Muhammad Qadir, looked up from the kebabs he was frying on a huge अंगीठी. अंगीठी पे kebabs फ्राई कर रहे थे सादिक के फादर. As one of the servants came up and announced, Nawab Hassan Ali has arrived. अब उन दो सर्वेंट्स में से एक सर्वेंट ने आके बोला कि नवाब हसन अली आए हैं. The man in silk entered and looked around their small shop. I hear you are a famous cook, Muhammad Qadir, he said in a bored voice. अब वो आदमी जो सिल्क का कुर्ता पहना, जिसने सिल्क का अचकन पहना हुआ था, वो आया और उसकी छोटी सी शॉप को देखा और उसने बोला कि मैंने सुना है कि तुम एक बहुत फेमस कुक हो, मोहम्मद कादिर. I like tasting new dishes. What do you make best? मुझे नई नई डिशेस टेस्ट करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तुम क्या बनाते हो सबसे अच्छा? दाल, said Sadiq's father and went on frying the kebabs. दाल, just दाल. अब सादिक के फादर ने बोला मेरी स्पेशल जो डिश है जो मैं सबसे बेस्ट बनाता हूँ वो है दाल. तो दैट मैन सेड दाल, जस्ट दाल. द नवाब आस्क्ड सरप्राइज्ड, I can make biryani and korma and all the usual dishes, but you asked me what I make the best. Qadir said calmly. अब मोहम्मद कादिर ने कहा कि मैं सब कुछ बना सकता हूँ, बिरयानी, कोरमा, कबाब, सब कुछ, लेकिन आपने मुझसे पूछा कि तुम बेस्ट क्या बनाते हो, तो मैं बेस्ट जो मैं बनाता हूँ वो मैंने आपको बताया. बट दाल, दैट साउंड्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग. दैट डजंट साउंड्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग. अब दैट मैन सेड कि दाल बहुत कुछ एक्साइटिंग नहीं लग रहा है इसे सुन के. माई फ्रेंड्स वर प्रेजिंग योर कुकिंग सो मच, I expected some new extraordinary dish. अब नवाब ने बोला कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने बहुत तारीफ की थी तुम्हारी और मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था तुमसे. But you haven't tasted the dal I make. Fine, I'll taste it. What kind of dal do you make? Urad. Give me some. Let's see what's so special about it. I haven't got any ready now. What? The Nawab said angrily. अब नवाब ने बोला ठीक है, तुम्हारी दाल ही टेस्ट करता हूँ. और वो कौन सी दाल बनाते हो तुम? तो उसने बोला उड़द की दाल. तो उसने कहा ठीक है, थोड़ा सा दो मुझे, मैं देखता हूँ क्या स्पेशल है. तो उसने कहा मेरे पास अभी रेडी नहीं है, अभी बनी हुई नहीं है. तो नवाब को गुस्सा आ गया. I make my dal shahi urad only on order, Qadir said. I use a special masala. It takes a day to make. If your honor wishes, I'll prepare it for tomorrow's lunch. अब मोहम्मद कादिर ने क्या बोला कि मैं ऑर्डर पे ही ये दाल बनाता हूँ, दाल शाही, और इसके लिए एक दिन लगता है क्योंकि इसमें एक स्पेशल मसाला यूज़ करता हूँ मैं, और अगर आप विश करते हैं, इफ़ यू विश, तो मैं आपके लिए कल के लंच के लिए ये बना सकता हूँ. नवाब हसन agreed reluctantly. I live nearby. You can bring it to my house tomorrow. नवाब ने बोला ठीक है, मैं पास में ही रहता हूँ, तो कल तुम मेरे घर पे लाके दे सकते हो ये दाल. I'm sorry, sir, that's not possible, said Qadir. Sadiq sighed to himself. His father was being difficult as usual. His Abbajan lost a lot of customers because he was such a fussy cook. And this Nawab looked rich. अब मोहम्मद कादिर ने बोला कि सॉरी सर, मैं आपके घर नहीं पहुंचा सकता. अब सादिक ने सोचा कि मेरे फादर ने बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स ऐसे ही खो दिए हैं अपने इस फसी बिहेवियर की वजह से, और ये नवाब बहुत रिच लगता है. नवाब हसन अली had never met such a rude cook, but he was also amused. What's the problem now, कादिर मियाँ? अब नवाब हसन ने कभी भी ऐसा रूड कुक देखा नहीं था, और उसने पूछा कि कादिर मियाँ क्या बात है, आप क्या प्रॉब्लम है? हुजूर, to enjoy my dal you will have to come to my shop. It has to be eaten immediately. So your honor, once I call you will have to come at once. अब मोहम्मद कादिर ने बोला कि हुजूर, मेरी जो दाल है ना, उसका मज़ा अगर आपको लेना है तो मेरी शॉप पे आके आपको खाना होगा, और जैसे ही मैं बुलाऊँ आपको इमीडिएटली, क्योंकि उस दाल को तभी का तभी खाते हैं, और मैं जैसे ही बुलाऊँ आपको तुरंत आना पड़ेगा. Really? What if I'm late? I'll throw dal away or give it to the poor, Qadir replied, sliding some kebabs into the hot oil with a hiss. अब मोहम्मद कादिर ने बोला ठीक है, अगर आप लेट हो जाएंगे तो मैं ये दाल या तो फेंक दूंगा या किसी गरीब को दे दूंगा. नवाब हसन अली shook his head. This Qadir was like no cook he had met. Well, he thought, let's taste his dal. Maybe it will be worth the trouble. So the Nawab agreed. Call me tomorrow when you are ready, he said, and left the stall. Sadiq sighed with relief. He had been worried that the Nawab would lose his temper and leave. Sadiq knew that Nawabs often gave generous rewards to cook if they liked a dish. अब सादिक को बहुत शांति मिली कि ये नवाब, उसको लग रहा था कि ये नवाब नाराज हो जाएगा, गुस्सा हो जाएगा. Abu had never spoiled everything. Nearly spoilt everything. Abu had nearly spoilt everything, Sadiq ne socha. Sadiq was rather scared of his father. When Muhammad Qadir became angry, the neighbors said crows flew away cawing and street dogs hid behind trees. It was lucky that the Nawab had been in a good mood and agreed to all Qadir's conditions. सादिक न्यू कि सादिक अपने फादर से बहुत डरता था, क्योंकि अगर एक बार मोहम्मद कादिर गुस्सा हो जाते थे तो इट वाज लाइक द नेबर्स को भी पता था कि वो किस तरह से गुस्सा होते हैं. एंड एवरीथिंग वेंट वेल. हिज फादर वाज केपेबल ऑफ रिफ्यूजिंग टू कुक फॉर द बादशाह हिमसेल्फ इफ ही वाजंट ट्रीटेड वेल. In the evening, Sadiq went with his father to the market to buy the ingredients for the dal shahi urad. Only the best would do, of course. Each grain of urad had to be perfect, no broken bits. सब कुछ perfect होना था, और वो अपने father के साथ ये सब मसाले लाने गया. Cinnamon sticks, cardamom, coriander, cumin, cloves, garlic pods, onion, ginger, and turmeric of the highest quality. Saffron and milk for the fragrance and pure ghee. ये सब चीजें दाल उड़द शाही में डलती. Green crisp mint leaves for the chutney. Adab, Qadir Mian. One of the servants who had accompanied Nawab Hasan Ali greeted them at the vegetable shop. Now, अब उस vegetable shop में जो नवाब के साथ जो servant आया था, वो servant वहाँ पे मिल गया and उसने कादिर को आदाब किया. How's the shopping going for the dal shahi urad? ने पूछा कैसी चल रही है शॉपिंग आपकी? Ada said Kadir shortly. He didn't like talking unnecessarily. Sadiq smiled at the man. Your Nawab Sahab seems to like eating, he said. Ah, doesn't he? The man laughed. It's his greatest hobby. उस आदमी ने बोला, उस सवंत ने बोला कि नवाब साहब की तो एक ग्रेटेस्ट सबसे बड़ी हॉबी है खाना. He is always on the lookout for new food stalls, and if he likes a particular preparation, he gives fabulous rewards. ने कहा कि वो अलग अलग स्टॉल्स पे जाके अलग अलग खाना टेस्ट करते हैं और जो खाना उनको बहुत पसंद आता है उसके लिए वो बहुत सारा रिवॉर्ड भी देते हैं. Really? Sadiq asked, excited. What has he given? Well, once he was so pleased by a pasanda and pulao in Aminabad, he bought the cook a new shop. A whole shop? Sadiq exclaimed, wide-eyed. Sadiq को बड़ा सरप्राइज हो कि पूरा एक शॉप, नया शॉप खरीद के दिया. The Nawab is very rich. Last month he gave a diamond ring to a chef for his firni. Kadir was calling him. So Sadiq had to leave, but on the way home, he dreamt of the reward his father could get. Sadiq को कादिर ने जब बुलाया तो वो वहाँ से चला गया, लेकिन पूरे रास्ते वो सोचता रहा, ड्रीम करता रहा, वो ख्वाब देखता रहा, सपना देखता रहा कि उसके फादर को रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा. He knew that his father's dal shahi urad was as good as any pulao or pasanda any cook could prepare. Early next morning, Sadiq set to work with his father. अब next morning Sadiq अपने father के साथ काम पे आया. He helped him clean the dal, make ghee, grind turmeric, peel and chop the onions, garlic and ginger. Then he watched Kadir cook the dal. With the dal, Kadir made a light cucumber raita, mint chutney, a vegetable dish of cauliflower and potatoes, a plate of creamy and soft kakori kebabs. ये सब उस दाल के साथ किसने कुक किया? कादिर ने. And once the Nawab sat down to eat, he would serve freshly baked tandoori rotis. For dessert, there were bowls of firni. Sadiq had sneaked a quick taste of the dal when his father wasn't looking. जब उसके फादर नहीं देख रहे थे तो सादिक ने थोड़ा सा दाल लेके टेस्ट किया. It tasted utterly delicious. It was the secret masala that made all the difference. वो बहुत delicious था दाल, वो जो कुक हुई थी, और उसका क्या था ingredient, जो मसाला था, secret मसाला जो यूज करता था कादिर, that was the main ingredient. Everything was ready. The dal in the handi was bubbling gently on the angeethi, balls of dough moist and ready to be slapped into rotis, the raita cooling in an earthen bowl. Kadir turned to his son. Go, call the Nawab. Beta, I am ready to serve lunch. अब कादिर ने सादिक को बोला कि जाओ जाके नवाब साहब को बुला के लो. Sadiq ran all the way to Nawab Hassan Ali's Haveli. Nawab Hassan Ali's Haveli. He reached the house panting. I have come to call Nawab Sahab for lunch. The dal is ready, he said to the servants. अब उसने जाके दौड़ता हुआ गया वो नवाब साहब के यहाँ हवेली में, और उसने बोला सर्वेंट्स को कि मैं नवाब साहब को लंच के लिए बुलाने आया हूँ. Go up to the roof. नवाब साहब is flying kites there. अब सर्वेंट्स ने बोला कि ऊपर छत पे जाओ, नवाब साहब वहाँ पतंग उड़ा रहे हैं. Sadiq tore up the stairs to the roof. The Nawab and his friends were completely engrossed in flying kites. Sadiq went up to Hassan Ali and said timidly, Nawab Sahab, the dal is ready. My father is calling you. Nawab Sahab को बुलाया लंच के. Hassan Ali looked down at Sadiq. Who? Then he seemed to remember. Ah, yes, the dal. One of his friends laughed. Forgot the dal, Hassan. Your kite is in danger. Forget the dal, Hassan. Your kite is in danger. एक फ्रेंड ने क्या बोला नवाब साहब के? अरे दाल को भूल जाओ, तुम्हारी जो काइट है वो कटने वाली है. The green kite is about to cut it. Hassan Ali hurriedly pulled at his kite. Just you wait, green kite, I'll get you, he shouted. Nawab Sahab, Sadiq interrupted, worried about his father's temper. The food is waiting. Yes, Hasan Ali said irritated, tell your father to wait, can't you see my kite is in danger? अब नवाब साहब तो काइट उड़ाने में बिजी थे, उन्होंने कहा रुको रुको, अपने फादर से बोलो कि नवाब साहब अभी काइट उड़ाने में बिजी हैं, थोड़ा तुम्हारे फादर वेट कर सकते हैं. Run along boy, one of his friends said impatiently. Can't you see Nawab Saab is busy? But the dal. Sadiq gave up sadly and walked away. All his dreams were fading away. He knew what would happen, क्योंकि उसको डर था कि उसके जो फादर हैं, he would lose his temper. He knew about his Abu's temper. The moment Qadir heard that the Nawab preferred to fly kites rather than to taste his dal, he would fly into a rage and give the handi of dal to the first beggar. उसको अपने फादर के टेम्पर का मालूम था कि जैसे ही उनको पता चलेगा कि नवाब साहब काइट्स फ्लाई करने में बिजी हैं और उनको दाल के लिए, दाल को टेस्ट करने से पहले उनको काइट फ्लाई करना है, तो उसके फादर गुस्से में वो पूरी हांडी दाल की बेगर को दे देंगे. They could forget about the reward. Sadiq felt like crying. On reaching home, he looked up. The Nawab's kite was flying overhead, and his friend Aman was flying a kite from his rooftop across the lane. अब घर पहुंचने पर उसने देखा सादिक ने कि उसका एक फ्रेंड भी काइट, अमन जो है वो काइट उड़ा रहा है और नवाब साहब की काइट भी उड़ रही है. Suddenly a wonderful idea struck Sadiq. He ran to Aman's rooftop. Aman, do me a favor. See that blue and silver kite. Cut it fast. अब उसने सादिक ने जाके अमन को बोला कि वो जो ब्लू एंड सिल्वर काइट उड़ रही है ना, उसको जल्दी से काट दो. Sure, no problem, said Aman grinning. He was a champion kite flyer. He made a special kite string with a layer of ground glass that could cut through anything. वो एक चैंपियन था काइट फ्लाइंग में अमन. अमन ने बोला अभी काटते हैं. Sadiq raced back to the Nawab's house. He ran up the stairs and reached the roof just as Aman has positioned his kite directly above the Nawab's. और तब तक में अमन ने अपनी काइट को नवाब की काइट के ऊपर प्लेस कर दिया था. Aman gave a sharp tug. Oh no! Hasan Ali groaned in dismay as his kite was cut and wafted towards the crowd. Huzur, Sadiq said, the food is waiting. The dal is delicious. Oh yes, yes. The Nawab suddenly remembered the special dal. Now the kite's gone. Let's go and eat. अब काइट तो कट चुकी थी नवाब साहब की, तो अब नवाब साहब ने बोला कि चलो अब जाके खाते हैं. Sadiq raced ahead, his heart thumping nervously. Oh Allah, he prayed. Don't let Abu lose his temper. Please don't let it to be too late. He was just praying कि उसके अब्बू जो हैं वो अपना टेम्पर लूज ना करें, गुस्सा ना हो. The Nawab and his friends entered the stall. The best room had been readied for them. जो बेस्ट रूम था उसको रेडी किया गया था नवाब साहब के लिए. As they sat down on the carpet, Qadir came in with the dal and Sadiq followed with piping hot rotis dripping with butter. Sadiq rotis लेके आया और कादिर दाल लेके. Sadiq held his breath as Nawab Hasan Ali broke a piece of roti, dipped it in the dal shahi urad, put it in his mouth, chewed slowly and then closed his eyes. Ah, he said softly. Sadiq let go of his breath. The Nawab dipped a second piece of roti उन्होंने तोड़ी, dipped it in the dal, scooped some raita with it, severed it and said, Wah, Qadir Mian, your dal shahi urad is truly heavenly. I have never tasted anything better. Even Rogan Josh pales before it. Even Rogan Josh भी जो है वो इस दाल के सामने फीकी है. After a few more mouthfuls, Hasan Ali continued, You deserve a reward. Tell me what would you like? For the first time that day, Muhammad Qadir smiled. पहली बार मोहम्मद कादिर हंसे. I would like to have a bigger food stall, Huzur, near the Imam Bara. अब कादिर मियाँ ने क्या बोला? मोहम्मद कादिर ने बोला कि हुजूर मुझे एक थोड़ा और बड़ा फूड स्टॉल चाहिए इमामबाड़ा के पास. Done, said Hassan Ali, dipping into the vegetable and helping himself to a kakori kebab. He called one of his servants. The servant bowed and put a bag full of money in Qadir's hand. और नवाब साहब के सर्वेंट ने एक पूरा बैग फुल ऑफ मनी किसके हाथ में दे दिया? कादिर के हाथ में. This should be enough for your new shop, said Nawab Hassan Ali. Now give me some more of your dal shahi urad and a roti. और वो रिवॉर्ड देने के बाद नवाब साहब ने बोला कि अब थोड़ी और दाल शाही दो और रोटी भी दो. Watching his father serve the Nawab and his guests, Sadiq grinned to himself. Now they would be rich. Later he would tell his Abu how he tricked the Nawab into coming on time. He knew his Abu would laugh and give him some money, maybe a whole mohar. अब सादिक ने क्या सोचा कि मैं बाद में अपने अब्बू को बताऊंगा कि मैंने किस तरह से ट्रिक प्ले किया था जिससे कि नवाब साहब जल्दी से खाने आ गए थे. With it, he and Aman could buy kites and tops in the market and treat themselves to kulfi and faluda. He was just dreaming कि अगर मैं ये बताऊंगा अपने फादर को, जब बताऊंगा तो वो बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे और मुझे थोड़े पैसे भी देंगे जिससे मैं और अमन जाके खूब मजे करेंगे. As Nawab Hassan Ali ate and ate, Sadiq smiled and smiled. So in this way, Sadiq helped his father get the reward. And this has been written by Subhadra Singh Gupta. Please read these word meanings, children. Now, the comprehension. Darken the correct option in OMR sheet. Who came one day to Qadir's shop? Sadiq, Aman, Nawab Hassan Ali, none of these. Nawab Hassan Ali came to his shop. What did Muhammad Qadir cook the best? Kebab, Shahi dal urad, firni, cucumber raita. Shahi dal urad. What was the Nawab doing when Qadir called him for food? Playing cards, flying kite, sleeping, playing chess. He was flying kite. Who cut the Nawab's kite? Aman, Sadiq, Nawab's friend, Nawab Hassan. Aman cut the Nawab's kite. Now fill in the blanks. Some words are here. Let's read it first. Handi, Shahi dal urad, food, ingredients. Sadiq was sitting in his father's stall, in his father's food stall. I make food, F-O-O-D, food. I make by only on order. I make by शाही दाल उड़द. वो किस ऑर्डर पे क्या बनाते थे? शाही दाल उड़द. Sadiq went with his father to the market to buy what? To buy the ingredients. And the last one is the dal in the was bubbling gently. किसमें थी दाल? Dal in the handi was bubbling gently. Okay? Now the next is, say if the given statements are true, T, and false, F. Okay, children? The first one is, Sadiq's father food stall was in small gully of Lucknow. Yes, true. Muhammad Qadir was famous for biryani. Was he famous for biryani? No, false. He was famous for Shahi dal urad. Nawab Hassan Ali was flying kite with his friends. Yes, true. Nawab Hassan Ali did not like Shahi dal urad. False. He liked it very much. Answer the following questions. Why did Qadir ask the Nawab to come to the shop to eat his Shahi dal urad? How did the Nawab react to it? Muhammad Qadir asked Nawab to come to his shop to eat Shahi dal urad because he said that I only prepare this dal on order and it takes a day's time to prepare this dal. So he would make the dal and for the lunch next day, and he has to come and eat in his shop only because that dal has to be eaten immediately after it is made. And Nawab, on hearing this, he said that he had never met such a rude cook, but he agreed to what Qadir said. What qualities of character do you see in Sadiq? Illustrate your answer with examples. He is a very smart boy. Sadiq is a very smart boy, as when he saw that Nawab was busy in the kite flying and he was not coming for the food, for the dal, he made a trick. He got an idea and he told his friend to cut the Nawab's kite so that he is freed from kite flying and he comes and eats the dal. What happened when Muhammad Qadir became angry? When Muhammad Qadir got angry, as the neighbors said, that everybody was scared of his anger. Even the crows, they flew away cawing, and the street dogs, they hid behind the trees when Muhammad Qadir was angry. What did Sadiq tell his friend Aman to do and why? When Sadiq saw that the Nawab was not coming for the lunch to taste the dal, he was busy in flying his kite. He went to his friend Aman. He saw that Aman was flying kite. He told Aman to cut Nawab's kite because Aman was a champion kite flyer. So he told Aman to cut Nawab's kite so that he is freed from kite flying. How did Aman make his kite string? Why? Aman made his kite string with, it was covered with glass so that it could cut pieces of glass so that it could cut anything. Now children, some vocabulary. Here's a crossword puzzle. Solve the crossword puzzle given below. ये crossword puzzle दिया हुआ है, इसे हमें solve करना है. In this puzzle, so this is in his puzzle, is wrong in this puzzle. In this puzzle, the clues are the meanings of the Urdu or Hindi words used in the text. Urdu or Hindi words used in the text. A salutation, across. Across कैसे fill करते हैं? Across is like this and downwards is like this. A salutation or greeting used in Urdu. Number 2. Where is number 2? This way. Okay? This way. So it is adab. Adab. Okay? This is adab. Greeting होता है ये उर्दू में. Okay, father. Now number 3 is father. Here's number 3. And what is father called in Urdu? Urdu में क्या बोलते हैं father को? Abu Jan. A-W-U-J-A-N. Abu Jan. Fine? Fine children. Now number 5 is a clay pot used for cooking. Number 5, yeah. It's handi. H-A-N-D-I. जिसमें food cook किया जाता है. Number 6, here. A big traditional residential building where the rich live. It's Haveli. H-A-V-E-L-I. Haveli. Now, downwards. Number 1, a long coat worn traditionally by Nawabs. Nawab जो long coat पहनते थे, traditionally उनको क्या कहा जाता था? Achkan. Number 1, Achkan. A-C-H-K-A-N. Achkan. Number 3, downwards. Where is number 3? It's here. A stove in which coal is used as fuel. It is Angiti. A-N-G-E-E-T-H-I. Angiti. Son. In Urdu, son को क्या बोलते हैं? Beta. B-E-T-A. 6. Number 6. A form of address to the master by servants. That is Huzur. H-U-Z-O-O-R. Huzur. Okay? Now let's move further. Grammar. You went to Goa with your parents. You lodged at Raj Resorts. Describe it to your friends. Now, adjectives. Dream Resort is a well-known resort in Goa. This comfortable resort with its pleasant gardens and enormous swimming pool is ideal for tourists. Now children, let's do some grammar here. You went to Goa with your parents. You lodged at Raj Resorts. Describe it with your friends. आप गोवा गए हैं घूमने और वहाँ आप एक रिजॉर्ट में रुके हैं तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ डिस्कस कीजिए. Now, adjectives. What are adjectives? क्या होते हैं? Let's read this paragraph first. Dream Resort is a well-known resort in Goa. Just take care of the words that are in colored. Colored में जो words है उनका ध्यान रखेंगे. This comfortable resort with its pleasant gardens and enormous swimming pool is ideal for tourists who prefer a quiet holiday. It is only a few kilometers from the modern airport and the beautiful Bogmalo beach. There is a lovely view from every room. The rooms are spacious and cozy. Mr. Anil Gupta, the owner, is a very efficient, helpful and handsome man. A holiday in Dream Resort is an ideal holiday. The sumptuous and delicious food here is a major attraction. Now children, the words highlighted in the given passage are all adjectives. जो highlighted words हैं वो सब adjectives हैं. और adjectives क्या होते हैं? Adjectives are words that give color, shape, size, sound and feeling to nouns or pronouns. Nouns और pronouns के बारे में जो बताते हैं उनका color, उनके shape, उनके size, sound. An adjective is a word that qualifies or describes a noun or a pronoun. Noun या pronoun को जो describe करता है उसे कहते हैं adjective. Now the kinds of adjectives are here. Adjective of quality, the adjectives that show the kind, quality, color, shape, size of nouns and pronouns. That is adjective of quality. Now example is, while driving along the countryside, we saw quaint whitewashed cottages. Quality बता रहा है कैसे cottages थे? Quaint, whitewashed. Now, adjectives of quantity. Next is adjective of quantities. Quantitative adjectives. The adjectives which show the quantity or amount of thing is called adjective of quantity. जो quantity बताता है. Example, Neeta ate the whole pizza. कितना पिज्जा खाया उसने? Whole, पूरा पिज्जा खाया. तो ये quantity. Now, adjectives of number. The adjectives which express the number of persons or things are called adjectives of numbers. वो नंबर बताता है कितने थे. Example is, 3 birds flew across the sky. कितनी birds थी? 3 birds. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are adjectives which we use to ask questions. जो हम questions पूछने के लिए use करते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं interrogative adjectives. Like which, whose, what, etc. are interrogative adjectives. Example, what color is your shirt? Yeah, where are you going? What, where, who? These are interrogative adjectives. Next is possessive adjectives. The adjectives which express the state of possession of nouns and are placed before nouns and show possession. Noun से पहले यूज होते हैं और पोजीशन बताते हैं. किसका है? Mine, yours, his, her, its, are, their. These are possessive adjectives. Now example is, my school is not far from your house. My and your. My देखिए school noun है, noun से पहले यूज हुआ है ये. यहाँ पे house noun है, noun से पहले यूज हुआ है. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are words which point out to the exact noun we wish to refer to. This, that, those, these, they are demonstrative adjectives. Example, this book is mine. Demonstrative means pointing out. Okay? Point करते हैं, this book is mine, that house is yours. So these were about the adjectives, the different kinds of adjectives. Now fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from the box. Gigantic, monotonous, magnificent, expert, successful, fatal, unfriendly, healthy, violent, imaginative, reckless, inquisitive. So we have to fill in the suitable adjectives. Ramesh met with a dash accident due to his dash driving. Ramesh met with a fatal accident due to his reckless driving. Sindbad had heard tales of a dash bird. कैसे bird? Imaginative bird. An imaginative bird. Fine. The telephone operator is fed up with his dash routine. कैसा routine? Monotonous routine. Same वही routine. That is known as monotonous routine. Fine. A dash storm wrecked Gulliver's ship. I'll do some, okay? Rest of them you'll do yourself. A dash storm wrecked Gulliver's ship. Violent storm. V-I-O-L-E-N-T-Y. So children, fill in the rest of the sentences with proper adjectives, suitable adjectives. Now, choose the correct word from the brackets and fill in the blanks. My father was an dash ship engineer. Superstitious or efficient? Was an efficient, I'll just take it out, ship engineer. He was often away at sea. Whenever his dash ship came into port, whenever his gigantic ship came into port, he was given a dash leave. Short or audible? He was given a short leave. Those dash days, those few days were the pitiful or happiest days for us. They were the happiest days for us. As he would take us to amusement parks, complicated or expensive restaurants. Restaurants kaise? Expensive restaurants and shopping malls. One day he went to Cochin. We were waiting for him. A fortnight later, his ship's local agent informed us that his ship was hit by a dash mega violent storm. So, in this way, fill in these blanks, children. Fine? Now, people's faces can be described in an interesting way. Here's a striking description of Krishna. Underline the describing words. अब describing words को underline करना है. Fine? एक लोगों के face को describe करने का भी एक interesting way होता है. Krishna was tall, thin, lean lady. So describing words कौन से हुए? Tall, thin, lean, with a wrinkled, pale, bony, oval face. Except of two rosy spots on her cheekbones. She had black, these are all describing words, ये सब describing words है, describe कर रहे हैं कृष्णा को. Black, stormy, protruding eyes, long, curly hair, and broad but stooping shoulders. Her pink lips, fine, were drawn into an upward curling smile. With the help of above adjectives, describe your favorite person. अब आप अपने किसी favorite person के बारे में description इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. Okay? Now, speaking skills. Learn any one recipe and give instructions to the class about the ingredients required and the cooking method. This is an activity to be done in the class. आपको अगर कोई रेसिपी आती है वो शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और उसका मेथड भी शेयर कीजिए. Now listen to a small passage about a sultan who was fond of eating. As you listen, put a tick for true statements and a cross for false ones. Okay? So fine children, this your teachers will describe you the passage about a sultan. They'll tell you the passage, the story about a sultan, and then you fill in these true false. Now the writing skills. Write a dialogue between Sadiq and his Abu after the Nawab has left. Describe Abu's happiness at receiving the reward and Sadiq's disclosure of how he had tricked the Nawab to come on time. तो ये dialogue Sadiq और उसके father के बीच का you have to write down the dialogue. आपने पढ़ा है अभी चैप्टर को पढ़ा है कि क्या और उसके जाने के बाद, नवाब के जाने के बाद वो क्या कॉन्वर्सेशन होगा उन दोनों के बीच में. जस्ट इमेजिन एंड राइट डाउन. Now the values: preparing good food and presenting it to the Nawab was the job of Sadiq's father. But Sadiq was equally involved in this venture. Sadiq ने बराबर की हिस्सेदारी थी Sadiq की अपने father के साथ. He was concerned that all should go well and that his father should get a good reward. वो शुरू से ही यही सोच रहा था कि उसके father को एक बहुत अच्छा reward मिलना चाहिए. Do you as feel concerned about your family affairs? Do you help your parents to relieve their tensions? Narrate one of such incidents to the class. अगर आपने भी कभी ऐसा कुछ हेल्प किया है अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को, किसी इंसिडेंट, कोई इंसिडेंट ऐसा हुआ हो जिसमें आपका पूरा you have fully got involved in that and you have helped out your parents or your relatives in any situation, that you have to describe here. Okay children, now this is the end of the chapter and stay tuned for the new video. We'll meet soon with a new chapter. Till then, have a good time. Stay blessed. Bye.